a new YouTube video today. It's crazy. A lot of things have changed. Wow, 719 of you guys. Hi everybody. How are you? I hope you guys are well. It's so nice to see you and talk to you. कैसे हो आप लोग? क्या हाल है? I'm good. How are you? I just wanted to come on over here and मैं बस बताना चाह रहा था कि मैं vlog edit कर रहा हूँ and I just want you guys to see it. That's why I came on live. It's been so long since I've done a live or been on live, but I hope your Ramzan is going well. And the last 10 days, it's insane how fast Ramzan actually goes by. Where were you for so long? You guys are gonna see it in this video, what I have been up to. So when you do watch the video, make sure कि आप लोग पूरा देखें, and I think you guys would really like it. And yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be very nice. I miss you guys. I missed you guys so much. I don't know if did you guys miss me, but I missed you guys a lot. Too long, man. I missed you. I missed you guys too. What's up, everybody? What's up, bro? Remember me? Well, I gotta check your profile, maybe. Not like I can't see. Yeah, waiting. Yo, what's up, Osama? How are you? Wait, there's a new update where you can like a comment. What? You can like comments? No way. But yeah, I just want to get on over here. I know I've been away from social media, man. Kafi dur. I don't know, man. Like sometimes, like, you know, जब बंदा एक दफा anti social हो जाता है, like they don't go on social media, तो वो काफी देर तक रहता है. And I have this problem. I don't even go on my phone. But this vlog will really like get you guys excited. It got me excited. And the hint I can give you for this vlog is I'm not in my room, right? My old room with the whole gaming setup. A lot of things have changed. So hope you guys like it. What are you guys up to? How's your Ramzan? I want to hear more about you guys and what you guys have been up to. Oh, look, Hashir's watching me. Hi, Hashir. How are you? Rooh. Yo, you can like comments now? Wow, that's crazy. Instagram has changed so much. That's crazy. Man, bro, I got old. I'm old. I'm 30 years old now. No, I'm actually not 30 years old. I'm joking. Relax. But yeah, the vlog is done. The vlog is done. I'm gonna upload it in 2 hours. I can upload it now. I don't know the best timings, but I can upload it now if I want to. But yeah, if you guys are in this live, I'm gonna keyword. Let's think of a keyword. Rooh Afza. Okay, Rooh Afza is a keyword. If you're in this live, go comment on that YouTube video. Just Rooh Afza, spam it, and I want to see how many of you actually go watch it. It'll be amazing. Okay, how's Fatty? I'll make a video on that too. But yeah, watch the whole thing. Make sure you watch the whole thing. Make sure you watch it till the very end. End तक देखना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है? ठीक है? Shake my hand. Shake it. No, I know you're looking at the screen. Just shake my hand. It'll be okay. Hey Roo, hey, what's up guys? But yeah, I'm gonna start being more active. I'm gonna probably post a picture tomorrow or something, and probably start posting more stories. I know you guys message me so much. Roo, where are you? Roo, we would want to see you, and I know I want to put myself. Sometimes, man, like I just don't go on social media, but I will try my very best, and inshallah, like it happens. But thank you guys. You guys message me every single day. I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you at all. I'm actually like doing things in life just so I could bring myself at a different standard, right, in life where I want to do the best I can, and I think you guys can appreciate that. I just don't want to like put out mediocre stuff. But yeah, I think you guys would like it. Okay? Thank you. I'm very grateful for you guys to always message me. Alhamdulillah. And I hope you guys are, your families are well. I hope your health is well. And I wish you the best in these 10 days of Ramzan. But I'll see you at the YouTube video, okay? And I'll see you on live, and I'll see you on stories. So take care. Okay, bye.